Are you ready? Yes! Boom. You want attention? Clap your hands once. Clap your hand twice. Clap your hands once. Clap your hand twice. I am Mr. Holiday, and I am not alone today because there is Ben. Do you miss Ben? Yes. Now call Ben. 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 Stop. Before we start, we are going to dance. Chicken dance. Do you know chicken dance? What's this? Chicken. What's that? Rooster. Rooster in the morning always sing it. In the morning, yeah. Have you ever heard the rooster in the morning? Yeah. And you know hand? Hand like this. Yeah. One clap. One clap. Two claps. One clap. Hop. 5. 4. 3. Eyes to me. 2. Listen to me. 1. Quiet. 0. Yo. Okay, before we start, let's dance chicken dance. Okay? You one stand up and follow me. Yeah. Hello, Ben. Say hello to Ben. Where are you, Ben? Come on. Come on. Wake up. Are you ready? But before that, I have this one. But let's call Ben first, okay? Count down from 3. 3. This is Ben. Yeah, I'm happy today because I can meet you in this place, but I'm still. I'm still sleepy, and because I slept until overnight. Hey, everyone, you have to keep silent because Ben wants to tell you something. Yes, thank you, Mr. Holiday. And there is Hanif, my friend. Is there Hanif here? Yes. May I sit down here, kids? And yeah. Yeah, finally, I miss you so much, and I'm happy today because I can meet you all. But oh my God, I don't like the high place like this, Mr. Holiday. It's too high for me.
You can sit on the chair.
Oh, Ben, you can sit down on the chair. No, I don't know, but I want to sit down here and like I was sleeping like this. Yes, wake up, thank you. Hey, but actually, Ben's really sad. Yes, Mr. Holiday, I'm sad because. Oh, sad? What happened? What happened? Yeah, because I lose my best friend. What do you mean lose your best friend? Yeah, yesterday when we were playing together, my best friend left me behind, and I don't know where she is now. And yes, do you know, kids? Do you know? Hanif, are you his best friend? No, yeah. Later you will know my best friend. Hey, actually, I have a little box. I have a bottle from wood. Do you want to see? Do you want to see? But before you see, I can sing a song for you because I am a singer. Huh? Are you a singer? Are you sure? Yes, Mr. Holiday, I am a singer. What can you sing? I can sing hello my friends, you know, the greeting. Like this. Hello my friend. Do you know that song? Hello my friend. How are you tomorrow? Huh? Tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Hello my friends. You want attention? Hello, my friend. How are you today? Like that, Ben? Oh, yeah, sorry. Hello, my friends. How are you tomorrow? Oh, not tomorrow, but today. Oh, yeah. Today, I'm very well. Thank you and me. And me. Hey, thank you and you. No, thank you and me. Oh yeah, sorry, Mr. Holiday. Yeah. Thank you and you. I'm good, my friend. I'm good, my friend. What, kids?
I'm good, my friend.
I'm good, my friends. Mr. Holiday, can you tell me? Hello, my friend. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. And you? I'm good, my friend. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. Oh, yeah. It's nice to see you. Good morning, my friends. I want to sleep again. Why sleep again? Oh, my God. No. Okay. Wake up. You want attention? Oh yeah, now this is for me, Mr. Tatang and friends. I want to show you the magic box. Magic box? What magic box? The bottle, but it's like face. Behind me? Behind you? Okay, wait, I'll check. That one? Yes, that one, Mr. Ode. Can you take? Oh my God. You mean this one, Ben? Yes, that one. Hey, in this box, in this face, there is someone, the best friend. His best friend, Ben's best friend. And you know, hey, he or she is kind. Yeah? Kind. And then friendly. And then what else? Good. And smart. You want to see? But you have to promise later after you have known, don't tell anyone. Yeah? Don't tell anyone, right? Yes, don't tell anyone because he is my best friend. Are you ready? Who want to be the first? Okay, Arturo. Arturo, yeah? Wait. I have to wear your mask because I'm standing next to you. It's like SpongeBob, right? Okay, you want to see?
Yeah.
There is best friend. There is Ben's best friend. Okay, but don't tell anyone. Okay, you want to see? You want to see the face? Yeah. Look, can you see? Don't tell anyone. Okay, can you see? Can you see? Okay, again. Wait. Now, sit down. Okay. You will get your turn if you can sit down nicely and listen to your friend. Can you see?
Oh, yes.
Yes, that's best friends. Yeah, that's Ben's best friend. Okay, you know that? Hop. Boom. Okay, now sit down. Okay. Now, yes, you come forward. Yeah. Yes, Aubrey. Hey, don't tell anyone, okay? Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Can you see? Can you see the face? Can you see the face? Can you see the face? Face? There! Can you see? Can you see? Ah, yeah! You want attention? One clap, two claps, one clap, two claps. Okay. That's Ben's friend. That's best friend. Can you see? Yes, that's Ben's friend. Can you see that? Yes. Yeah. Hey, Ben. Hanif, come here, Hanif. Listen to Hanif. Yes, Hanif, do you know now?
Yes.
Who is Ben's friends? You know that? Okay. Done, yeah, Hanif. Are you happy? Are you happy? Okay, sit down. Stop. Hey, you can see, what do you see from that face? Yourself, because you are Ben's friends. Give a applause. Yeah. Yeah, Hanif. Yes. Listen. There is a mirror. You can see your face there, right? So you are Ben's friend. Is it correct? Yes, you are right. You are my friends, and I'm not sleepy today because you are my friends. I'm not alone again anymore. And woohoo! Are you ready for a story? Yeah! Mr. Holiday, please tell me a story about Frog, Mr. Frog and Rooster and the birds. Huh? Story about Rooster, Frog, and birds. Okay, may I open my mask? Yeah. Hup. Once upon a time, in the jungle, and in the morning, there was a rooster. Okay? And all animals in the jungle woke up. What's this? Elephant. Monkey. And this, hey. Giraffe. And what's this? Gorilla. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Sit down. Not you, but me. Hey. And there is a little frog like this. Hey, the little frog like this. Little frog was crying. Hey, I'm crying. And the rooster, hey, the rooster said, "Hello, little frog, what happened with you?" No. Like that. Sit down. Just sit down, sit down. And then the rooster, what happened? Please tell me. Said the rooster. Hey, why is he crying? Can you guess why is he crying? Rooster, I cannot fly like a bird. I want to be like a bird. and he kept crying. Huh? Want to be like a bird? Yes, I want to be like a bird. I want to fly. Yes, honey. What happened, Ben? Yeah, someone pushed me. Oh, hey, Ben. He's sad now. He's sad. Who pushed me? Stop. Hanif, come forward. Say sorry, come on. He's your friend. Come on, Hanif, come here. Come here, say sorry. Say sorry. Shh. Sit down. Hey, and after that, you can... I want to fly like a bird. Hey, like the rooster. Hey, frog, you can fly. Hanif, say sorry, Hanif. Say sorry. I'm your friend. Okay, up. Oh, that's why. Sit down nicely. Hey, again. And then, you can fly now, frog. You can go to the high place and you jump. Yeah, that's good idea. I want to climb the rock and I will fly like a bird. And the little frog come and climb the rock. Wow, this is high place. I will jump and I can fly. Are you ready, kids? Say the frog, and the frog try to jump. Okay, the frog. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. I can't fly, Rooster, and I'm getting wet. Hey, the frog fell down to the water and swim. I can't fly. Oh, I have another idea. Why? Now you can use the leaf to fly. The leaf for my wings? Oh, that's a great idea. And the little frog climbed the rock again with the leaf, right? It's really hard to climb the rock with this leaf. This is high place, and I have wings from the leaf. I can fly now. Are you ready, kids? Say the frog. And count down. 3, 2, 1. Whoop. Oh, I cannot fly. I cannot fly. And the frog kept crying. I can't fly. You are a liar, Rooster. And when he was crying, there is a bird. There's a bird. Wow! My wing is broken. I can fly. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh, anyone can help me? Whoa! And the birds. Listen. And the bird fell down to the river. Oh, help me! The birds cannot fly, cannot swim. Oh, help me, please! Help me! And the little frog, the little frog tried to catch. Okay, I will help. And the frog swim. Come on. Go to my back, come on. Go to my back. And the birds come and sit down on his back like this. And swim. And finally, it's safe. Yeah? Hey, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, frog. And the rooster said, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You are the hero, frog. You are the hero, frog, because you can save birds. And then the little frog said, 1 clap, 2 clap. Hey, and the frog, sit down, Kaya. And the frog said, am I the hero? Yes, hey Rooster. Am I a hero? I swim and I catch and I save the bird. Yes, you are. Wow, I like swimming. oh my God, I am a hero because I can swim. And finally the birds say, and the bird, after that bird say thanks, and then bird can fly. And the bird said, hey frog, you want attention? Mr. Holiday, and what happened with the frog? Yes, after that, the frog never cries again because he's happy to be a frog because he can swim, even though he can fly, but he can swim. Different with the bird. Bird can fly and go anywhere, but he cannot swim. Yeah. So we have to be happy with all we have. Yeah. Are you happy? Yeah. Ben, are you happy? No. Huh? Why not? Because I'm sad. No, but I'm happy. Like a band. I am a band and I have many friends here and I am happy. Give applause, everyone. And you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hey, now answer my question. How many characters are there in the story? 3. Can you mention? Huh? Look. Okay, look. What look? Bird. Frog and? Rooster. What happened with frog? Why was he crying? Why? Huh? Because she cannot fly. Okay. Audrey, come here. Everyone, listen to Audrey. Audrey or Aubrey? Audrey. What happened with frog? Why was he crying?
Because the frog wanna fly like the bird.